welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video we are going to look at how to use the account summary feature for a more comprehensive reporting. Now in account summary there is what we call a summary rule, okay, in Keepsales. Now this is the kind of format of summary you want your information organized in. Okay, so there are two ways to use the summary rule. Okay, so first is to organize your account summary on a product by product basis, or you want to organize, okay, or you want to have your account summary on a day by day basis. Okay, so we are going to look at the both of them and see how they are displayed, okay, on Excel. So we have to take note that the export, okay, is done, okay, through Excel. So now let's first click on main menu, and then under main menu we click on transactions and sales, and then under transactions and sales we go to account summary. Okay, so this is the account summary page. Okay, to our right, okay, we can always click on the account history and then get to view. Okay, it takes us to our account history as well. Okay, so in the account summary page, okay, it says what time duration do you want an account summary for. So you can decide to look at your account summary or on a department basis. Okay, so let's say for a particular department in your shop, okay, or a category in your shop, let's say food, or you have a food category, or you have a toys category. I mean, whatever category that you have in your shop, okay, you can create or download an account summary for that particular department, or we can leave the department the department blank. And then what that means is that then we want to see all our account summary for whatever interval that we chose, okay, for whether it's a product base or a day by day basis. Okay, so first we can either select, okay, for a particular date or do it for an interval. Okay, so let's try for an interval, and then let's see. So for a day, if you want to select for a date, okay, you can click on date number, you choose the particular date number, or for the month, then you click on the month, you click on the month as well, and then you select the year, okay, as well. Then also we can also create an account summary for a particular interval. So let's do that, and that's what we are going to demonstrate here. Okay, so let's say we want to let me take it a bit more backwards. Okay, so let's say we want to look at all our accounts. We want to have an account summary from the 1st of August to the 8th of September. Okay, so we are going to look at the two, okay, summary rules. Okay, so first is a product by product basis. Okay, so you click in the box, it's already there by default. Okay, so let's click on download summary. Okay, so this has been downloaded, so we click, okay, on the file, and then Excel is opened. Like I said, the export is done via Excel. So here, okay, it says account summary for interval. Okay, so we see the details that we want. Now the summary rule said we want to see our account detail on a product by product basis. Okay, so you get to see the particular products, the quantity sold, the cost of goods sold, the total sales made, the margins, that's in terms of value and percentage for that particular product. Okay, so we are able to see, okay, on a product by product basis, okay, a breakdown, okay, of the accounts of all those products. Okay, so that is that. Let's close this. Now we want to look at on a day by day, okay, basis as well. So let's download this. Okay, so we have our file successfully downloaded, so we can click on it, and then our Excel file is opened. Okay, so exactly, so now here we selected, okay, we want to organize our account. Okay, we want to organize our account information on a day by day basis. So for the interval of for the period between 1st of August to the 1st of September, this is what is displayed. Okay, so on a day by day basis, we see that, for instance, on the August of 5th, we sold 33 products, and then this was the cost of the goods, and then this was the amount of money we made, and then the margins that we made on them as well. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so we can close that. So like I said, account summary gives you a comprehensive report, okay, a summarized report, okay, of your product. Okay, so then you can decide to look at within an interval. That is very important. Account summary gives you a comprehensive summarized report of your shop within an interval. Okay, and then you are able to view that, okay, either on a day by day basis, which is one of the summary rules, or on a product by product basis. You can also decide to search for products under specific departments, okay, and then within an interval you want to look at the account summary for that particular department, either on a day by day basis or on a product by product basis. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. We have so many more videos like this for you. You can check them out. Please do well to check out all these videos. You have a wonderful